Fit ni asese ni din ene your friend say mechanic. Za na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much GH. Hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe.
Too much GH out of 4 mema obibia akwaba sonko sedan da munya ebreji edwa ebetie ensem a edi atrentwie ewo eye Ghana wahala yedwumedi a too much yede ebesom mo eso ebusuafo munuaba ekwesi kapa ne nso menemu edi ehie yi asem kase esi afranka asiso ebusua obi ye na adwen se wono de anko de this song eba obedesi obi no wafa ne ho adi nanso so so si dua wo embu makwaku a esan eba boa wo so esuma se nioma wo ya wonim se wo bia enhwe wo no ebusia kan hu se wo bia ehu anyankopon o hata sori de wo hunu na se nyankopon ehunu na wo bi nso hu de na kan hu se wanyankrofo mienu wo mo monitor wo mo ehwe wana monto enyina na abaya Sista Afia de ye wonimpa anka ne WMT song a wode ebaye anka wan release asem yi de ensem aba eyi anwum yi de ohawpa na abre abaya na chese wukaya abaye ene dey wutimi wo se wonam odane kata so ni sum yenko ne betimi edi adanse se nani age ana se nani enjo bi bu se ne de na asibim Akuapem Poloo asa ama ne ho so se de mo amunim WMT nwum yi ebaye yi ensem bebre ne baye na ene de Akuapem Poloo asa release another bombshell acha se Sista Afia abortion na waye kambus awato ni nyina piepiem abusua moma yembonra ensem no emu said the mom name Sista Afia release enyom WMT na this song and crofo bebredi bebe piemu Sister Deborah Wendy Shay asem Akuapem Afia wodoni Akuapem Poloo wo nyina din baye ebebe piepie emu ema che Sister Debbie ebebe reply Wendy Shay ebebe reply enu mu na se we Sista Afia ene bisaka den susu di wo fie nipa ebebe to no susu omopopo wo madwen de kire nkrofo kama ni nyina konko da no ena da ena Sista Afia de bebe to wo so wo bi adwa no ho 3 years nie ni naked pictures de ababa to abonten enso still oda so ye single wonya kun enti won kata ne ho ehwa ena Akuapem Poloo se somai na se waso afofra na enya meso amesusu meba ba reply wo no susu ba ye bebe kansem edugu wono mo kire se abaya yi wono mu ye ka obi a wo ye preko pa ni papa preko de wono ene ye de be ma no ebiemu nsusu no wono nsusu osore ya wo yi ne ho de ene no nsusu wanya enye nkrofo boyfriends ene wono wo moda ene DJs ni nyina ebebe piemu na ene de ye sore ye utimi hu se Akuapem Poloo ne ni abre wakeka ne ho wo hu se ade no se Sista Afia ye na adwen se wo ma asem ne nkonkoda de ene wono nsusu wafa ne se fifa president woje agenes one ene ho kapa wo begide free sade song we mu de wahire no ho pa na wo begine ne de ne nsem ode abetu edwa ene se Sista Afia Ab0rted emma bebre all because of say awari aye hye ne bo say ye be ware no ebiem nso sneakers awato ede ama medical in exchange of sex nso ebebebebe piemu na eno na chese wakeka na adwen ede akire no na abusua moma yenkotie ensem abaya ne de tudwa ne ye ba ne ya baba pensim ya twene sere ne abasa ba bia wo kan ye ya kirikire mu ede ama ensem no enie.
Listen, no one should try me today because I'm being nice. You get me? As you can see, I'm so beautiful. I'm a mother. I'm sexy. You get me? And I don't even have friends to fuck their boyfriends. I won't buy Kambu for someone's husband and you fuck me for free. You have been sponsoring the boy's Kambu. All the fruits the boy has been wearing, you have been sponsoring for him. You hear me? Yes. They got married, you were sitting and they married. You said I've been naked on social media and I'm still single. Mommy, are you married? Your video that we saw that men were using their feet to stab your pussy juice. Men were using their feet, oh, no hand, no deck. Their feet. Master, don't bring yourself. If not.
Abusia. And some no de muedu papa. What say the Okaya no? Me a shop answer what ya now want, yes, I'm bobbing na wintiana. And some be or no more walk a kaya me crampo not say. Missy A. When you na Sista Afia. We when you na be, and I still was about on tablet this will be. San will be a tea young ones. Now we be the young ones and yana soon doing this over quafa. Yeah, will be our ordinary night baby brand you more our brew or brimu said the when your man who are day a burre tomb. I was saying so now I send so no war for now done no. And yes, I can no you. And then can no yet, so be the young one pana win yasem. And then can no mum, and I just wait and then some Akuapem Poloo a day to just one you will be at. What to sneakers at the Emma Bema debo show. Not just say a medical one sem and a walker. Now I near Akuapem the one is a brofidio what Siancasa or San will be a worry. Someone is married and you are sitting on the marriage or two will be a warrior so adding. Aden will be a warrior now in a warrior so. Now what be a warrior who won't worry. Now what day what will be a warrior so as I come. A beamon so soon I just say will be a what media a back at children all because of say will be a person will be a warrior. What they eba eka ho abusuan ensem no emu edo ensem no emu apie papa na chese Sista Afia what wo no ma wo ye no ho ayi nyina no wonim se obi wo na pa wa wo ye de wobo wo bi e wo ne nsem ana ase na eya wo ye yi wo study no because mo beka ya first video Akuapem Poloo de eba ye ne nsem odi to just so many gist na chese ensem no kra ne ketu ampo no de aba betu edwa eno we dear we release it at to one na eno and a Ghana for see na Sista Afia na also sound out here say what to one ma walk come and I made them a boss in me o wo boss in real and so be kuno real wo boss and real and so wo be kuno wo dwam and Crawford and yes and Crawford and yes one more the one more sebio one more be man po na sade real one more the one more nine and e wura honom ebusuan we pa wo so your bow na ebe de obi awaro enu nti Akuapem Poloo so ndo ya proud mother at least won ware ye krampo na wo ba enye se woni obi ekunu anase obi ayi na kokokko wo ye wono apa ne de ne so ne de no ne ye de wo ye na wo de awo wutimi nyim de ma obi si ane chinchina nipa na nya den enware wo ni nyina mu ni nipa na ntimi anware wo ema akoka cho se kwa Ab0rted akwala no na akokko Ab0rted ye we nyina ebebe piemu ewo ensem a eye Akuapem Poloo ede etu edwa no abusuafo muma ye nkoni nkonkotie ba bia wo kan ye se eye nua ba Sista Afia wone obi nyem ya o because of say wo power enti wo kọ ekokọ Ab0rted akwala no muma ye nkonkotie eho ede enso
Big girl, big you. I'm a proud mother. Do you know how many people who are the church place, fetish place, fetish priest will say, whatever they call it, taking concussions just to have a baby? But you got pregnant, the man said you should abort it before he will marry you. You aborted it, he didn't marry you. Is it by force for you to force a man to marry you with pregnancy? No. But children are gifts from God. I'm a proud woman. I'm a proud woman because now I have a beautiful, handsome, cute son. That is why your fellow friend that you are fucking the boyfriend got pregnant and captured and kidnapped the man with the pregnancy to marry her by force. Even she paid for the marriage. Yes, she sponsored it.
Abusuafo dear e chire no what say was wo bi etua sika and the pen na why see you pay for your marriage one say na working ye nua ba fela makafo na just medical ware no pa wo ware ye no ye sika and wo tua sika se ye mfa nya no ho ade na oba utua sika ma ye de yo ho ade future nigga krampo tua ne de kran ko ba bi na oba kokko tua sika pa se ye mfa nya ho ade de na se be ma no wo mu wo eni na chese busuafo yi the entire sister Debbie what my sweet as nature say adia no medical was sunny abaya ne sheshe no be say aware na medical was here no eh oye magana fo ne hu ye keke ba ne drop hand e was sister Debbie ho no asem Akuapem Poloo dia be ama wa hunu say medical wada so do sister Debbie no tina sister Debbie wo ba bonten a na my sweet ex abusia akom eni nchire mu Akuapem Poloo owo just na mpa wo just no na sister Afia me say ba so bim na wo UK wo so ko UK diteni wo ne won kwa ne ba nyina se na ye ntro enti say why na wo bought this song nemre edema no enyoma Akuapem Poloo release enyoma ekoso ewa social media say this song no one na wo de se wo ho ana say wo de se wo bi because enyoma ekoso yi wutimi ma wo bi kunu dwam wutimi ema wo bi chese wutimi to sneakers edema wo bi kunu se onyusu se de be ye wo betimi ne wadama ho asepel na abusu ahụ wonu wodan wode ne hin ne woda because Akuapem make ibi ewo ho no na chese say no Sista Afia wa de do song aba enso wa na enwum no wo de se wo because enwum a wo ye no wasuma se no abusu afọ chese Ghana fo binum dwen ho a wo mo enti ase say enti say Sista Afia de wo ti suma se a wo ye no wo ya abortion ye dwem wo bi kunu ne wo da ebi de wo mo na yiwurawura wo na wo pa enti dem pa na ha wo enti wo pa wo ye okay pa na chesa wo adobe enti nyom no wo dwen ho de o direct nyom ne de ma wo se fa bra bonten wo di wa bro papa because na wo bo wa ma wa ye wo ho wo bo wa ma wa de se wo ho wo gu ho ani mu ase wo social media so wo bo ama wan kasa no wo de wa ho nsem abeto abonten na abusuo mo mayen kotie eyeyi nanum binum adwentwa wo mo de bebetu edwa emra ye nua ba Akuapem Poloo release this evidence and a video the first Sista Afia ene fela na eno na kwabna bozi eda wo de eba ye wo se Sista Afia, be vigilant, oh. Be vigilant. No one can advertise your weakness except those who are closer to you. Your secret is your own crown. Don't be opening your mouth anyhow. Now you see, your WMT song has exposed you big time. Shame on you. Or no so Edian Sister oh dear wow when you dear Guasia Babebro. Wow when you Edian Guasia and Abre one casa wumu. Next time Ubeshe one no casa a ye. Farida boat and so edia wo de eba ye or say wa Akuapem wo ho asem wo hu de Jimmy ede Akuapem WMT song have sent you to this disgrace. You see your life. What are you going to say about this? Because this they don't have anything to say about. Yenya Elizabeth Senior edia wo de eba ye or say you see, you people always beefing yourself. You see now where the things are going. You see where you people are landing things to. Akuapem Poloo, I give you two. And also so edia wode eba ye and no sister wo dear Sister Afia wa akopede ama ho say Akuapem Poloo wo man two wo man eche pan na che wo a wote honum no krampo no ensem a wo keka ni nyina no wa eye wa wo nsem e na wo sori ya na wo tobe na ono de nipa ne ho ye ne mobo eye fela makafu so no so de ne ho abura sa ensensem yi emu gifty upon edia wode eba ye o say wo de wonsua nyansan na wo embo empire se nyame emboa wo na jai emboa wo na Jimmy enkoa aden be vigilant ono so ede eno no we de woni yenim se wo ka de ama Akuapem Poloo so wo ka ede ama Sista Afia wo bi entimi enkyere wo se an wo de wunja Jimmy no wonsua nyansa na wo mpaye se nyankopon wo mpoa wo na da ne da Jimmy no nkoa aden be vigilant we ene eye ensem a wo de etu edwa ye nua eye bright enso so ede wo de eba ye o se Sister Afia, this is your own cup of tea. Drink it because you prepared it, and now we are giving it back to you. So where there, why would tea? Tea, I would in your buy yet. Why would prepare? Yen as I say, yeah, this servo into where there, J. Nanum the boko, nom, no manim guasiano, nom, no my de air too soon in a nom because one open and I would do home. Aqua yen ya ebin so de ebony din and come or sing. Falama Kafui. Now you see your friend. You can see that she is the one behind your marriage. Oh, she is destroying it. Sister Afia, I never knew that you were so cheap like that. Cheap whore. Or no so ede no timo so de wafa ade no as an walk up ohun say fella wo hu nipa wo de wo ho abone say yonko a wo no wo gina wachi ene wo kunu esa twempna yonko a wo gina wachi atoto no made ma kunu atese wo anka akrabosen wo kunu a wo ne nete no wuntimi hwe no wuntimi ento bibi mpo emfa ma no bontin sunim ena eye we nyina all because of say wo betimi satisfy no nti wa hu yonko a wo ne no enam ebusuafo Akuapem Poloo allegations as say wasa de aba we phase 2 what dey aba e de abre Sister Afia no ugidi say Sister Afia betimi aba bonti abayi ne ho ano ana say won ontimi memeka bibia emfa ho de wadwen echewo bia no fa etu edwa efa emaye e o too much gh your comment section ebiemu share for more abusuafo e all the social media platforms say Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Twitter na like your videos no na memo aremfi so be me aba no so say they upload the video bia so betimi enya notification e wo eso aha na ebrebe ma kwan ama ye de dwumadie no esi me am de dwumadie wo cha me din ene Akua sikapa makram.